CS Executive Company Law, December 2023. First, explain the exceptions, if any, to the principle of limited liability under the Companies Act 2013. Exceptions to the principle of limited liability are as under. First, if at any time the number of members of a company is reduced in case of a public company below 7, in case of private company below 2, and the company carries on business for more than 6 months while the number of members is also reduced, every member of the company during the time that is so carries on business after those 6 months and is cognizant of the fact that it is carrying on business with less than 7 or 2 members, as the case may be, shall be severally liable for the payment of the whole debts of the company contracted during that time and may be severally sued therefore, according to Section 3A of the Companies Act 2013. When the company is incorporated as unlimited company under Section 32C of the Act. Next, where a company has been got incorporated by furnishing any false or incorrect information or representation or by suppressing any material fact or information in any of the documents or declaration filed or made for incorporating such company or by any fraudulent action, the tribunal may, on an application made to it, on being satisfied that the situation so warrants, direct that the liability of the members of such company shall be unlimited. Section 7, subsection 7b. Next, where in course of winding up it appears that any business of the company has been carried on with an intent to defraud creditors of the company or any other persons or for any fraudulent purpose, the tribunal may, on an application made to it, on being satisfied that the situation warrants, declare that every person who was director at the time of issue of prospectus or every person who has authorized the issue of prospectus or every promoter or a person referred to as an expert in the prospectus shall be personally liable without any limitation, that is, liability for all or any of the losses or damage that may have been incurred by the depositors according to section 75 subsection 1. Next, where the report made by an inspector states that fraud has been taken place in a company and due to such fraud any directors, key managerial person, other officers of the company or any other person or entity has taken undue advantage or benefit, whether in form of any asset, property or cash or in any other manner, the central government may file an application before tribunal for appropriate orders with regard to disgorgement of such asset, property or cash and also for holding such directors, key managerial person, officer or other person liable personally without any limitation of liability according to section 224 subsection 5.